Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class, we are going to start our new exercise 13.2. You can take page number 260 in your NCERT textbook. In the last class, we have discussed about the law of exponents. There are few laws and regulations which you should follow while you are doing the exponents. Using those laws, we are going to solve the problem. Okay? I hope you all have taken page number 260, children. What is the first question? Using law of exponents. I told you, you should recall that law of exponents before going to the session. Okay? Simplify and write the answer in exponential form. Exponential form means what? It should have a base and it should have an exponent. Okay, so like this, these are the exponent form, but you should simplify and you should write only one answer. Okay, now 3 squares into 3 power 4 into 3 power 8. Actually, all are product, right? In this, we all have same bases. If there is a product and same bases, what is the formula, children? You will add your powers. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Do you remember this law? When there is a same base and product, you will add your powers. Okay. So 3 power 2 plus 4 plus 8. Is it correct? Because I have kept a base as this and all these three bases are same. Just add all your powers. 2 plus 4 plus 8. 14. 3 power 14 is your answer. So this is what your exponential form, 3 power 14. Okay, next. 6 power 15 divided 6 power 10. 6 power 15 divided 6 power 10. Yes, here we have same base but division. So what we'll do? A power m division a power n means a power m minus n. Do you remember this law? See, for your reference, you can write all the laws in the side, then you solve it. Now, we have same base, so 15 minus 10 because it is a division, so minus 6 power 5. 15 minus 10 is what? 5. 6 power 5 is your answer. Next. Third one. What is the third problem? A cube into a square. So here also we have same base. So what? And multiplication. So what you will do? A power 3 plus 2. Okay. So what is the answer? A power 3 plus 2. A power 5 is your answer. Okay. Just keep this laws in your mind and you proceed this. Next. Fourth subdivision. What is the fourth problem? 7 power x into 7 square. 7 power x into 7 square. Here also we have a product and same base. So what you will do? 7 power x plus 2. X plus 2. If it is some 5 plus 2 na 7 power 9 you will write. But here x no. So x plus 2 is your answer. That's all. We can't do anything after this. Next, fifth problem. 5 square the whole cube division 5 cube. 5 square the whole cube division 5 cube. Yes, is this type looks like a power m the whole power n. So what is the answer? A power m into n. Correct? So can we write this as 5 power 2 3s are 6 division 5 cube. 5 power 2 3s are 6 division 5 cube. Now both are same base and division. So what you will do? 5 power 6 minus 3. So 5 power 6 minus 3 is 5 power 3. Next. Sixth problem. 2 power 5 into 5 power 5. 2 power 5 into 5 power 5. So this looks like what method, children? a power m into b power m. Base are different but powers are same. So what you will do? You will multiply your bases and put the same power. Yes, do you remember this rule? Now what you will write now? 2 into 5 the whole power 5. 2 into 5 the whole power 5. I am just multiplying the base, the whole power 5. 5 2s are 10 power 5. 5 2s are 10 power 5. So 10 power 5 is your answer. Understood? Next is a power 7th subdivision, a power 4 into b power 4. Okay, so here we have same powers and different bases. So what is the formula? How will you write? You will multiply your bases a into b the whole power 4. A into b means ab you can write. Okay, a into b can be written as ab whole power for this, but this bracket should be like this because this 4 is common for a as well as b. That is the meaning, right? Next, 8th subdivision, 3 power 4 the whole cube. 3 power 4 the whole cube. This looks like what method, children? A power m the whole power n. So a power mn. A power m the whole power n means a power mn. So 3 power 4 3s are 12. Yes, 3 power 4 3s. I am multiplying 4 and 3. So 4 3s are 12. Okay, next. 9th problem. 2 power 20 divided 2 power 15 into whole into divided by 3. Okay, so 2 power 20 divided 2 power 15 into 2 power 3. So first you should do the operation inside your bracket, right? So 2 power 20 minus 15, is it correct? Because same base and division, 2 power 20 minus 15 into 2 cube. 2 power 20 minus 15 is 2 power 5 into 2 cube, is it correct? 20 minus 15 is 2 power 5. Now 2 power 5 plus 3. Yes, 2 power 5 plus 3. 2 power 5 plus 3 is 2 power 8. Okay, so 2 power 8 is your answer. Next, 10th problem. 8 power t division 8 square. 8 power t division 8 square. So here we have same base but division. So 8 power t minus 2. 8 power t minus 2 is your answer. Understood? Second problem. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. Okay, see, this is one complicated exponent, but we should do some simplification like example problems. We have discussed this type of example problem. Yes, the same way we are going to solve this. First, check everything are prime powers. 2 is a prime number, so 2 power cube means it is a prime powers. This 3 is a prime number. 4, is it a prime number? No, so convert that as factors of prime. 4 can be written as 2 2s are 4. So 4 can be written as 2 into 2, right? Next, 3 is a prime number. 32 is a composite, so you can do as usual. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, then 2 8 2s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 32 can be written as like this. So, see, 4 can be written as 2 2s are. So, 2 is repeated 2 times. So, 2 square. Can you write 4 as 2 square? Yes, now 32 can be written as 2 power 5 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 2 power 5. 32 can be written as 2 power 5. So, shall I convert this here? 2 cube as such into 3 power 4 as such. 4 can be written as 2 square divided by 3 into 32 can be written as 2 power 5. Yes? Now, what you are doing now? What all it is a multiplication, do it first. numeration operation all you do it first. This 2 cube and 2 square have a same base. So what you will do? 2 power 3 plus 2. I am adding the powers. 3 plus 2 into 3 power 4. This is kept here. Divided by 3 into 2 power 5. Now 2 power 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Into 3 power 4. Divided 3 into 2 power 5. Now, is there anything common in the numerators? No. And denominator? No. Now we can compare the numerator and denominator, which means 2 power 5 and 2 power 5. Both are division but have a same base. So what you will do? You will subtract the powers. So how we will write? 2 power 5 minus 5 into 3, 4 minus 1. Because 3, 4 minus 1. 3 is nothing but 3 power 1 na. Appa 3, 4 minus 1 you will write it. So this can be written as like this. So 2 power 5 minus 5 is 0 into 3 power 4 minus 1 is 3. Any number power 0 is what, children? 1. Into, do you remember a power 0 is 1, right? So 2 power 0, 1. 3 cube, 3 cube. 1 into 3 cube is 3 cube. They told to write the answer in exponential form. So you should stop till this. You no need to write 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. You don't want to write the answer as 27. It should be written as 3 cube. That keep it in your mind. Okay, because the question is exponential form. Next is 5 square the whole cube into 5 power 4 division 5 power 7. So first what you will do now? You will do the operation inside the bracket. Yes, do you remember? So now 5 square the whole cube. It looks like what? This thing alone looks like a power m the whole power n. So a power m into n. Yes, it looks like that, right? So what you will do? You keep this bracket as such. 5 power 2 3s are 6 into 5 power 4 close bracket division 5 power 7. I am just now clearing this alone. Okay, 5 power 6 into 5 power 4. Now inside this bracket 5 power 6 into 5 power 4. Same base and you will add your powers. 5 power 6 plus 4 division 5 power 7. 5 power 6 plus 4 is 5 power 10 division 5 power 7. Now same base division means 5 power 10 minus 7 because it is division, so 10 minus 7. So 5 power 10 minus 7 is 5 power 3. So 5 power 3 is the answer and this is your exponential form answer. Don't want to write 5 into 5 into 5. Don't need to write it. Okay. 25 power 4 division 5 cube. Okay. I told you we have to check whether every numbers are prime powers, right? Here everything is prime powers. 5 power, 5 power, 5 power. But here 25. This 25 is a prime number? No. So convert that. 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. So 25 can be written as 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 is 5 square. Okay, now instead of this 25, I am going to write 5 square the whole power 4. Is it correct? Because I am just converting this 25 alone, children. So I am going to write this 25 as 5 square the whole power 4. Division 5 cube. Now 5 power 2 4s are 8 division 5 cube. 2 4s are 8 division 5 cube. Now same base division means 5 power 8 minus 3. 5 power 8 minus 3 is what? 5 power 5. So answer is what? 5 power 5. This alone just keep it in your mind and do the calculation. It's very easy. Okay. Next is your fourth problem. Okay, what's the fourth problem, children? 3 into 7 square into 11 power 8 divided by 21 into 11. Okay, 21 into 11 cube, sorry. 3 into 7 square into 11 power 8 into divided by 21 into 11 cube. Okay, now listen, check whether everything is a prime number or not. Okay, that is our first rule. This is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, 21. 21 can be written as 7 3s are 21. Yes, do you remember? 21 can be written as 7 3s are. So 11 is a prime number. So stop till this. Now 3 into 7 square into 11 power 8 divided by 21 can be written as 3 into 7 into 11 cube. Is this correct? Because 21, 7 3s are 21. I wrote it. Now, is there anything to combine in the numerator? No. Now comes the denominator. First, I am just going to compare this and this 3. 3 power 1 minus 1, because 3 means 3 power 1. This 3 means 3 power 1. Both are division. Appo 3 power 1 minus 1. Okay. Into 7 power 2 minus 1. 7 power 2, 7 power 1. Division. Appo 7, 2 minus 1. Into 11 power 8 minus 3. 11 power 8 minus 3. Okay, now 3 power 1 minus 1 is 0. Into 7 power 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Into 11 power 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay. 3 power 0 is 1. Into 7 power 1 is 7. Into 11 power 5 is 11 power 5. 7 power 1 means 7 only, no? 3 power 0, 1. Appo 1 into 7 into 11 power 5 means how you will write, children? 7 into 11 power 5. This is your answer. Because 1 into something, the same number. 7 into 11 power 5 is your answer. So listen, I am just written 21 as 7 3s are 21. I am comparing the denominators. 3 power 1 minus 1, 7 power 2 minus 1, 11 power 8 minus 3. That's all. You just calculate it as after this. Okay. Next is your fifth problem. 3 power 7 divided by 3 power 4 into 3 cube. Okay. Now first what you should check? You should check the similarities in the numerator or denominator. In numerator only one number is there, but denominator 3 power 4, 3 cube. Both have same base. So what you will do? 3 power 7 divided by 3 power 4 plus 3. Can we write like this? Yes, same base, product, add the powers. So 3 power 7 divided by 4 plus 3, 7. 3 power 7 divided by 3 power 7. Now comes the division. Same base. So what you will do? 3 power 7 minus 7. So 3 power 7 minus 7 means 3 power 0. 3 power 0 means 1. Okay, 3 power 0 is what, children? 1. Any number power 0 is 1. Next, sixth subdivision. 2 power 0 plus 3 power 0 plus 4 power 0. So, actually 2 power 0 is what? 1. Plus 3 power 0, 1. 4 power 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Answer is what? 3. Okay. It's very easy. Next is seventh problem. 2 power 0 into 3 power 0 into 4 power 0. See, here it is addition. So, I have added 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Here 1 into 1 into 1, because 2 power 0, 1 into 3 power 0, 1 into 4 power 0, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. So, answer is 1. Check the question properly. It is addition and it is multiplication. That's why 1 is the answer. Okay. Next. What is the next problem? Eighth problem. 3 power 0 plus 2 power 0 into 5 power 0. 3 power 0 plus 2 power 0. 3 power 0 plus 2 power 0 into 5 power 0. So, first you should do the bracket calculation. 3 power 0, 1 plus 2 power 0, 1 into 5 power 0, 1. Okay. Now, 1 plus 1, 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2 children into 1. So 2 into 1, 2. Answer is what? 2. Listen. First you do the operation inside the bracket. So 1 plus 1, 2 I wrote. Into 1 I wrote. 2 into 1, 2. Okay. Next. Eighth problem. 2 power 8 into a power 5 divided by 4 cube into a cube. 2 power 8 into a power 5 divided by 4 cube into a square, a cube. Okay, now 2 power 8 is a prime number into a power 5 divided by 4 can be written as 2 into 2, right? 4 can be written as how? 2 into 2. So 4 can be written as 2 square. So instead of this 4, I can write 2 square the whole cube. Is this correct? Instead of this 4, I wrote 2 square the whole cube into a cube. Okay. So 2 power 8 into a power 5 divided by 2 power 2 3s are 6 into a cube. 2 power 8 into a power 5 divided by 2 power 2 3s are 6 into a power 5. Now what you will do? These two are division. So 2 power 8 minus 6 into a power 5 minus 3. 2 power 8 minus 6 into a power 5 minus 3. So 2 power 8 minus 6 is 2 into a power 5 minus 3 is 2. So answer is 2 power 2 into a power 2. See, after this one more thing you can proceed. You have it is a product and you have a same powers. So what you will do? 2 into a the whole square. It is important, children. You should solve it. You have to simplify as much as you can. Okay, 2 into a the whole square. 2 into a means 2a the whole square. 2 into a means what, children? 2a the whole square. So answer is 2a the whole square. Next, 10th problem. A power 5 divided by a cube into a power 8. It's very easy. A power 5 divided by a cube into a square, a power 8. First I told you should do the operation inside the bracket. So here same base but division. So a power 5 minus 3 into a power 8. A power 5 minus 3 means a power 2 into a power 8. Now a power 2 plus 8 because product same base. So a power 2 plus 8 is a power 10 is your answer. Okay, next is your 9th problem. 4 power 5 into a power 8 in a power 8 b cube divided by 4 power 5 into a power 5 into b square. Okay, now it's very easy. See, anything common in the numerators? No. So 4 power 5 into a power 8. A power 8 b cube means how you will write? A power 8 into b cube. You will write like this, right? A power 8 into b cube divided by 4 power 5 into a power 5 into b square. You have to split it and write. Okay, that's all. Now 4 power 5 minus 5 because these two have a same base but division. 4 minus 5 into a power 8 minus 5. A power 8 minus 5 into b power 3 minus 2 into b power 3 minus 2. So 4 power 0. 5 minus 5 is 0 into a power 8 minus 5 means 3 into b power 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 power 0 means 1 into a cube into b power 1 means b. So 1 into a cube into b means a cube into b. 1 into a cube into b means a cube into b. This can be written as a cube b. This can be written as what? A cube b. Listen, children. I am just splitting it up and writing 4 power 5 minus 5 into a power 8 minus 5 into b power 3 minus 2. 4 power 0, 1, a power 3, b power 1 can be written as b. So a cube b is your answer. Okay. Next is your 12th problem. What is the next 12th problem, children? 2 cube into 2 the whole square. 12th problem, see, 2 cube into 2 square, 2 the whole square. Actually, this square is common for 2 cube also, 2 also, children. So, first you should do the operations inside the bracket, right? So, first 2 power 3 plus 1 the whole square. Why? 2 cube into 2. Both have same base. 3 plus 1 the whole square. Now, 2 power 3 plus 1, 4 the whole square. Now what you will write? 2 power 4 into 2, 8. So 2 power 8 is your answer. It's very easy. Today's class we have discussed exercise 13.2, first and the second problem. It is actually a simplification where you should follow the rules of law of exponents and we should simplify and write the answer in exponential form. Okay, children, I hope you all understood. Thank you.